What's up, YouTube? It's your girl, the Dominion, back at it again with another YouTube video. Well, as of those of you who don't know, this is my YouTube channel. My name is Ediale Dominion, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a DIY recipe. I'm going to be teaching you all how to make a Nigerian pancake. So we are going to be using Nigerian recipe to make the pancake. Stay with me, guys. See you in the video. Bye. These are my recipes for today. This is my oil, my vegetable oil, my salt, my sugar, then my egg, then my all-purpose flour with my baking powder, baking powder, my powdered milk, and every other necessary things that I need. Okay, guys, I broke my egg, so I'm turning it inside. Okay, I'm going to be mixing the egg. I'll mix it, then I'll add a little bit of water. As you can see, my flour is already sieved, so I'm just going to be adding it directly into, and I'm adding it bit by bit. So because if we add it together, it will give you lumps. So I'll be adding it bit by bit. I'm mixing it to get a smooth batter.
Wow.
Normally, you can use your hand mixer to mix it, but for us that don't have mixer, we use our hand and mix it gently so we can get the smooth batter.
Okay.
Then I'm going to be mixing my milk with water.
Okay.
Because in my ingredients, my recipes, I added milk to it.
Nice. This mix looks like Canadian milk.
And I pour it into the butter. Then mix.
Wow.
And I'm going to be adding 1 teaspoon of baking powder.
Mm-hmm.
1 teaspoon of baking powder. I'm going to be adding my sugar. Sugar depends on how it, as in I really cannot tell you the quantity to use for your sugar. It depends on your own taste. So I'm a fan of sugar, so I'm adding 2 teaspoons of sugar. Then I mix.
Wow.
Add the water. Nigerian pancake recipe, they like it light, so that when they are frying it, it can be cooked inside. When it's thick, it's difficult for it to get cooked inside before it starts burning.
Noted.
So I'm going to be adding a little bit of my flour. Then you mix. This process.
So see, it does become.
Then you add a teaspoon of like just a little salt. Salt to taste. add pepper.
Okay.
I'm not a fan of pepper.
Okay. So does it mean that if you are preparing it for somebody, you ask the person the likes and dislikes?
Yes.
Okay.
And see it's light.
Very light.
That's how we like it.
Are you sure it's not going to be, I don't know, is it not too light to be fried?
No, it's not.
Okay.
So I am going to pour a little bit of oil into my pan and allow it heat. Normally people say the first trial of fry, like when you're frying something for the first time, it doesn't turn out good. But let's see if my first trial comes out well. So I'm going to leave it to heat for some while. Let the pot heat before I turn my pancake mixture into it. So mine is already heated up, it's already smoky. You can see. Then I'm going to turn my pancake mixture into it. I will allow it cook for some while before I use my spatula to flip it over. It's a non-stick pan, so it's not going to stick with the pot. Now I'm going to be flipping it over.
Wow, I like what I'm seeing. This is so nice. I can't wait to eat this.
And you fry the rest of your pancakes.
Ew, so nice. So nice.
Okay guys, this is the end of today's video. If you enjoyed it, kindly give this video a thumbs up, like, share, and also comment. For more food recipe, easy DIY to breakfast and other stuff, you can subscribe to my channel because I'm going to be uploading more DIYs for food, snacks. See you guys same time, same channel. Adios amigos. Bye.